Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's currently May 26, 2025. I installed the tire this morning. That's the Ultraverse Dominator rear tire I have on there. Well, it's just a tire. It's not a rear or front. It's a tire. 20 by 4 inch. Sitting on a 20 by 3 inch rim. Fit perfectly. Kind of hard to get on there, but it's expected. It's a more durable tire. First ride on it will be right now. It is sitting kind of high. It just fit in there. So I also put a new tube in there too. This is the first time I'm stepping over the seat. I can see how much it's pushed the seat up too. That's going to be interesting. Let me see. It does seem to be poking me a little bit higher in the tailbone area. It's 75 degrees out here. It is, was it Monday? It's Memorial Day. So I'm going to just kind of stick around here for now in case there's any issues with the tire and I have to like walk home, which I don't want to do, but could very well happen. Let's see what this feels like. No, it doesn't feel much different. As far as like my ride, I don't feel like I'm being pushed forward at all because it has lifted the back of the bike up about an inch more than normal. So far it feels pretty good. I do have it set at the max PSI of 40. It's supposed to be set at 40. I set my tires at max because, like I said, I'm a big guy. I can't really run my tires low PSI because then it'll just make the ride way too squishy. Now, the funny thing is, it says the max load capacity on this tire is 198 pounds, and I'm assuming that's if you split the load between two different tires. I'm hoping, because like I said, I'm close to 400 pounds, so I'm pretty much maxing it out. Well, then, of course, there's the weight of the bike, too, so that's actually way over, because it's like a 100-pound bike with a 400-pound rider, that's 500 pounds. But I think this front tire is rated for, like, closer to 300 pounds or something. We'll see how it holds up. I don't think it's going to be an issue. This tire feels really durable. So when I get home, and I keep forgetting to do this, when I get home I got to go on Amazon and find a similar tire for the front of this thing, because I want to change the dual sport on the front to match this rear tire. I think I closed the garage. I hope I did. I don't know if I actually closed my garage when I left. Oh well. I'm pretty sure Mom will pop out there for one cat reason or another and then she'll give me an earful about how I didn't close the garage when I got home. Took me about 40 minutes or so to change this tire. It was actually a lot easier to get my dual sport tire off than I thought it was going to be. It's really hard to get dual sports on a rim. It's not so hard to get them off. They tend to pop right off. It's weird. It's weird how that works. You kind of almost want them to be easier to get on and harder to get off. That way, like, it's less likely going to pop off on you. So I don't think I'm going to go to the park right now. I feel like going all the way to the park right now. Because this tire is wider, it's making the back of the bike sit rounder. So when I turn and stuff, the feeling is different when I go around curves. And it is a new tire, so I kind of can't really like be hauling butt until I get the sides worn in a little bit. And I slimed the tube. It weighs about as much as my dual sport that I just took off of here, because it's a bigger tire. There's more of it. So far it feels pretty good. No complaints. It's rolling pretty smooth. I think I'm gonna glance down at it here and see what it looks like. See what the compression looks like on it with my weight on it, and see how much it's bullying out at the sides. Let me look. You're not going to be able to see it really well, but I am. Let's see. Huh? It looks pretty pretty sturdy down there. I do have one broken spoke I'm riding on. I should have fixed it. I just didn't feel like it. It'll be fine. It's not going to affect my review of the tire at all. I really want to break this tire, and I'm starting to feel not so great. I should have probably waited till later. I'll try to ride around a little bit more. Something like right around here. Said I don't want to go too far from home in case I do have an issue with the tire. I just ran something over and I don't know, my tire is starting to feel a little, please don't tell me my tire is going flat. No, it still feels okay. I gotta do my brakes again soon. My brakes feel like there's enough tension on them. It's just they're not like slowing me down very well. So this is going to be my short test of this tire. I'm going to head home now and do a long test either later today if I feel better or tomorrow. What are you doing, squirrel? Okay. Maybe that squirrel's almost been hit a few times and it's learned to like be more aware of its area. Ugh. Shit. That hurt. really don't feel good right now. This is not how I wanted this ride to go. I should have waited longer. It's my fault. So that's about 3 miles or so on the tire so far. I'm gonna park this by the back of the car right now. I gotta go inside. I don't feel good right now. So yeah, we put about 3 miles even so far on this new tire, and I liked it. It worked well. I liked it. I just wish I felt better so I could actually go for the ride I wanted to go on. So I'm going to park it for now, and I'll come back out here later. I'll probably just ride it as is. I don't think I need to charge it. Having trouble not hitting Mom's car. There we go. All right, guys. With that, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I'll see you on my next e-bike video. Hopefully later today if I'm feeling better. Okay, bye. Helps if I actually stop the camera. Okay, bye for sure now.